Hey YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy DjSoReal, and I am back with another lit video. As you can see by the title, we have a prank today. I'll be pranking my homeboy Trey, you know what I'm saying? If you followed us early, if you've been with me for a long time, you know he used to be in a lot of my older videos, you know what I'm saying? But I moved on, started a YouTube channel by myself. But he's back in town with me. So it's only right I prank him, you know what I'm saying? I gotta, we finna get the prank. This might be a prank war, you know what I'm saying? If you want to see a prank war, y'all let me know some prank ideas I can do on this nigga, man. I'm doing them all. Simple. But today it'll be a honk if you want $100 prank. I call one of my friends, and say, hey bro, I need you for a prank. I need you to follow us around. I need you to honk your horn. I put a sign on the back of his car. This is what the sign says right here. You know? Honk if you want $100. So he gonna be, yeah, he gonna be honking the shit out of his horn, you know what I'm saying? We finna get this man Trey reaction. This shit's gonna be funny. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Roll to 2K, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all boys for giving me the 1K. Love y'all boys, man. Wouldn't be doing this without y'all. So man, stay tuned. We finna go and get into it. You dig? Alright man, we finna go in there. I'm finna tell him I need you to take me to the store or Walmart or something. When hopefully he takes me, I don't know. He should be in there playing the game right now. Damn, it's dark up in here. I need some light. Hey fam. What you doing, bro?
Yeah, 2 days, man.
Sorry, yeah.
They call me on the way.
Come on, whoop your ass.
115.
Hey, Ron, let me take me to the store, bro.
What?
Take me to Walmart, bro.
It's okay.
We can play that shit later.
Like, take your car, bro.
I ain't got no gas.
I'm gonna get the gas, man. Give me gas, man.
I'll give you some. Alright, bro, I'll give you gas, man. Put the shit down, nigga. Sorry.
Mellow.
You turn some lights on in this motherfucker. Dark as shit in this man.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, sunlight and shit.
Beautiful out here. Air tastes different.
You know what I'm saying?
Tastes good, man.
Black air.
Just got out here. Way better than Fayette County, Alabama and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Little vlog today, man. That's why I got the camera on. Just a little vlog. You know.
Little vlog.
Yeah.
How about you want me and you playing basketball?
We can play.
Stop it.
On God, we can play.
On God, you can beat me.
On God. On Jesus Christ.
You short, bro. What you with 5'7"?
Don't play me. Don't play me like that.
Come on, man. Let me get back.
Alright, man. Shit. Little vlog, you know what I'm saying? Got a vlog, you know, daily adventures, my nigga Trey and DJ. Oh, shit.
Get this shit poppin'. Where you need to go, fam?
Walmart. Man, it's hot as fuck in Virginia, man. I like Virginia, man.
Straight.
Yeah.
I like Alabama, baby.
Go back there, nigga. Go back.
Catch your ass, man.
Fayette County and shit over with.
Hey, Lance, and see, even Lance left that shit.
Hey, what?
Big figures on like between 45 to leave, not me.
Not me. Not I. Goddamn, you know what? I'm finna go get some shit for damn. Me get shit from my apartment for real. Yeah.
Shook her right here.
Yeah, right up through here. This nigga don't even know the town yet.
Still be using GPS everywhere I go.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go. Hey, man, you gotta cut it out, man.
She drive, nigga.
I'm going, nigga.
She driving now. Nigga can't drive for shit. Oh, we finna wreck. You know what I'm saying? I need to go to Walmart.
Right lane, right?
It don't matter. Just stay on the left. It don't matter. Niggas in Virginia can't drive for shit.
I drive better than you.
Cap.
I almost got hit plenty of times. They've been up here 2 weeks yet.
That's the way to Walmart. Too late now.
Why you ain't say something?
Shit.
Nigga.
Yeah, this nigga trying to get some weed, man. Gonna get smoked.
Fuck this driving slow as shit.
Niggas in Virginia can't drive, man. God damn.
Shit.
Fuck.
Better have my gas money. Where the fuck we going?
I ain't giving you hang on shit.
Shit. Ain't no shit.
Phone finna die. Just try my phone.
Man, I brought my charger with me, bro. Now they in the crib.
Yeah. Shit. it's hot as fuck, man. What we gonna do today, bro?
Hey, don't you say you got a IRL to do today?
Yeah, I gotta play. Yeah, but I got another video I'm doing today. I gotta play a nigga.
Like everybody else to do. You know what I asked Kilo?
You got it.
Ask Kilo what I used to do.
Hey, Kilo, you heard that? Now you gonna watch the video.
Hey, Kilo, you know what I used to do to you, little Belva boy? You know I got that Draymond Green defense, nigga. You know it. Yes, sir. Can't nobody get out and beat me in basketball. I could've won.
Turn left right here, bro.
Put my knee out.
You gonna do a U-turn.
The fuck? Who the fuck belong in me, bro?
Bro, what the fuck going on, nigga?
What? Fuck you. Put the ass off. Fuck y'all. Nigga, see what happened, blood. What the fuck? Motherfuckers with Virginia can't drive, man.
You in the wrong lane, ain't you?
Crazy.
Nigga, why you in the wrong lane? Who the fuck is that? Where niggas honking that train and shit? God damn.
I'm gonna sell his ass on. Alright, bitch. Keep on blowing that motherfucking horn. Keep on blowing that motherfucking horn, bitch. Alright.
What's going on?
That bitch, she turned around. Bitch, fuck you.
Got the whole town honking this bitch.
You know, okay, you ain't on this shit. This motherfucker keep blowing the horn. When is what is that, man? What? Oh my god. Damn.
This long ass light, man. Fuck.
Man, motherfucker blowing the horn. You blew this about 20 miles? Why is he sitting here blowing the horn?
Bro, you in the wrong lane, ain't you?
No, left turn, then do you turn, my nigga?
She probably losing her shit. What the fuck going on?
She know what the fuck? She finna call the police. She finna call the police.
Nobody go to jail.
Nigga, what? This motherfucker, alright, put it, motherfucker, to kick that bitch in.
Man, for all this life. Shit. Run from him, he can't catch you. He coming at you. Who is that, nigga? Who is that?
Bro. So what the fuck did you say you had to go anyway, bro?
Walmart, you took this dumbass nigga took the wrong turn. Stupid ass boy.
Motherfucker chasing me and shit.
Oh shit, not another light.
Oh shit.
Fuck, another light. Oh, who is this?
Pull the whole that bitch pull beside go cuss that motherfucker out. What is motherfucker talking about?
You got some warrants and shit? Flip him off, flip him off.
Just show me how to get. I hope that bitch follow me to Walmart. Just show me how to get to Walmart.
Alright, we going on.
Kick that bitch. Show that bitch.
Nigga, what?
Follow me to Walmart. Kick that bitch ass. Follow me to Walmart. Follow me to Walmart.
Nigga, what?
Motherfuckers ass right here.
Oh my god.
You got this shit off you, man.
Hey, you got the strap on you?
What?
Shoot his ass, nigga, what?
So his ass something.
But yeah, man, we supposed to have an IRL dropper today later on.
Like I said, he playing everybody but me.
Oh, you get your 1v1 next. He still honking?
Leave his ass.
Man, this bitch got nigga here. Put this bitch on, nigga. What that bitch got 160? Put that bitch on sport mode.
Make sure I don't fucking miss this turn again, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking Walmart.
Bro, I don't think I need to go to Walmart for real. Let the gas station be good. You know that 7-Eleven up there?
Yeah.
Don't even take me to Walmart, bro. Just shit. You don't know how. But we can fuck around and get lost, bro. Don't even right here. Left, right. Going to 7-Eleven, man. Shit, cause if we try to go to Walmart, we gonna get lost and
Yo,
shit.
this bitch still, man.
Bro, he's still honking, bro. Who is this nigga? Bro, what the fuck?
He lost his ass.
He lost his ass?
Lost his ass.
No, wait, now is he coming? Shit. He coming, bro, for real. One.
I'm gonna have to call the nigga. Call the nigga.
Damn shit, so fucking. Nigga still, bro. He's still honking. Bro.
We done went to 7-Eleven.
We done went to 7-Eleven and shit. Go, nigga. Go. Oh, fuck, bro. Who is this nigga, man? I'm gonna fight this nigga or something. We got beef up here you don't know about?
I don't know nobody.
Y'all hear this?
She's crazy. The big ass home. Police.
Fuck you, nigga. Fuck this nigga on, bro. Fuck this nigga on, man.
Fuck you.
Bitch ass nigga. Who it, bro? Man, you get angry?
Bro, I'm finna park this bitch and get out the car on his ass. Bro, I'm finna pull over here. I'm finna pull over here and get 7-Eleven, bro. Bro, can I kick this bitch ass, bro?
I don't know.
I'm finna go over to 7-Eleven, bitch.
No, bro, we going back home, bro.
Fuck that. We finna get out right here. We finna get out right here. What? We finna get out right here, nigga. This nigga, bro.
We gotta whoop this nigga ass, cuz. Park it. You still following us?
Bro.
Get out.
Bro, what the? Bro, what you wanna do, bro? Nigga, the hell on, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck y'all got going on, bro? Bro, what the fuck y'all got going on, bro?
Niggas arguing and shit.
Yeah, bro, what the fuck going on, bro?
Man, you're angry. He in here angry as hell. What the fuck arguing?
You nigga been hollering at me for the last damn 15 minutes, bro.
Yeah, boy.
Motherfucking fire truck hugging at me and shit. What the fuck going on, man?
Look at the back of your car. See, I just got cashed out $100. I got my on the car.
Man, what the fuck y'all got going on, man?
What you talking about?
What you got going on, man? It's some kind of prank, man.
What? Alright, it's a prank, man.
Look at this shit.
It's a prank. I can't get out because this nigga parked so close. Back up, man. Then my back up for a second. I ain't trying to hit your damn car.
Look at this shit. Hunk if you want $100 fucking dollars.
Nigga, that's why nigga was honking, man.
Y'all must been in on this.
Yes.
Right? I got something for y'all, man.
Nigga.
I prank 10 times harder.
You can't prank me, nigga. I'm unprankable.
Spray my friend's car. Bill, man.
Nigga. Alright, man. Alright, that's it for this video, man. We got him. I got pranked him. I did what I was supposed to do. It was a success. This nigga was going crazy in this bit. But shit, man. Alright, man. Y'all let me know any more pranks y'all want to see me do on this nigga. I read all my comments, man. But yeah, we out, man. You did.